In this video, we're going to learn about while loops. So let's just cut this out. Let's break out of it and put it down here in our loops. Let's go back in our app and right underneath of here, let's take a look at the while loop. So the while statement creates a loop that executes a specific statement as long as the test continues evaluating to true. As long as the test condition evaluates to true. The condition is evaluated before executing the statement. So for this, I'm going to create a let, and I'm just going to call it m for Meinhardt, and let's create a while loop. So while the variable m is less than, let's say 6, we're going to console log, and let's type in here a string of step plus m. Okay, and now we also need the iterator, which is m plus plus. And because I have it on autosave, I just broke my JavaScript again. So let me take out that autosave. Where do we have it? Have the delay off. So if this happens, you need to restart your browser, and it's pretty simple. Actually, we just go on our index and start our browser again and close this one up. Okay, so let's go back into the console, and there we have it. We have our loops. Okay, so step 0, and let me actually put a space in here. If we would go to 10, not 0, 10. So as long as this is true, the loop is going on and it iterates 1 to m. Now let's take that array of cars that we created earlier on in the course. Let's create, let me actually create it here again. So const cars, and no, I'm going to copy it in. Let's take the array of cars, let's copy it in. And let's do a while loop for this. So I'm just going to initiate here a C variable, and let's say while C is less than the array of cars dot length, we're going to console log cars and C plus plus. Okay, so if I would hit save, this will iterate 4 times through the loop. Now, in order to iterate within the loop, so this just iterated 4 times the array. Now, if I would copy this down here and type in our variable of C and change now C to 2, this will give me the last 2 values are array. So if I would change this to 4, you see nothing happens. But if I would go to 1 and hit save again, we just skip the first one and then get us RD, BMV, and Dacia. Okay, so if I go back to 4, this will now console log all 4 items. Okay, so this is pretty much it for while loops. See you in the next one. Bye bye.